Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here WYNYOAGR Winower Self-Tinting Cycling Glasses for men and women. These are photochromic sports glasses with UV 400 protection. These are sunglasses for cycling, of course, ultralight running glasses, mountain bike running, and outdoor sports like hiking and fishing, sun protectant, and maybe insect protectants and projectile detected glasses here. It comes in blue and black, in red, or in purple if you like it. These sports sunglasses for men and women are intelligent photochromic technology. Both lenses and the frame dynamically change the color depending on the UV intensity, red, blue, or purple. That adapts not only the light but also to our style for modern look on every trip. Due to the reactive to UV radiation, the tinting speed of the self-tinting cycle glasses generally slows down in autumn and winter time, and the color depth can decrease slightly, especially in low UV radiation or in cloudy weather. This is a normal phenomenon and has no effect on the UV protection of the lenses. The photochromic running glasses use a high-quality depth fusion instead of simple coating for even a long-lasting and natural color gradients. The color change takes place within a couple of seconds. After only 90 seconds, it is clear again. That's either for changing light conditions without changing the lenses. These cycling goggles have a reinforced lens made of high-quality polycarbonate that has a high impact resistance and is difficult to break for optimal eye protection, even while it is dropping from a high altitude. The glasses remains intact. With a weight of only 30.6 grams per sports glasses, the pressure on the bridge of the nose and ears is significantly reduced because it sits comfortably. With a UV 400 coating, that fast glasses block 100% of the harmful UVA. The aerodynamic half-frame design with the 4 ventilation slots minimizes the wind resistance, and prevents against fogging for unclouded visibility while cycling, running, or hiking. More visibility, less interferences. The large window reliably keeps dust and insects away. The high nose pads design creates a more distance to the face, reduces sweat jam in the summer, and ensures a fresh feel. The self-tonic cycling glasses are ideal for outdoor sports and changing light conditions, whether cycling, running, mountaineering, camping, or beach volleyball. Always stylish but functional. By using these special glasses, these are the Winower self-tinting cycling glasses. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!